Mm. Hello everyone, this is Nimish Samant, the technical lead at GDSCVIT, and I will be the Google Cloud Facilitator for Vidyalankar Institute of Technology and the students who are joining us uh, at GDSC for this event. So basically, starting off with what is 30 days of cloud. 30 days of Google Cloud program will provide you an opportunity to kickstart your career in cloud and get hands-on practice on Google Cloud, that the tools that powers apps like Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube. Google
Hello
Cloud actually
everyone,
gives
I'm
you.
Utkarsh Agrawal from Web Development Team. As yesterday I have working on chat application. Today sir has assigned some tasks on
Utkarsh,
Trello to
can you
do
mute
some
yourself?
changes and to make the.
All right, thank you so much. Along the way, you'll be learning and practicing concepts of Google Cloud basically on the Quick Labs, not wasting much of the time. Why should you enroll to this program? It's all because you'll be completing the Google Cloud hosted quest and skill labs, which you can later show on your LinkedIn profile, and you will also be getting some real cool Google Cloud goodies. Uh, Basically, these goodies are like the byproduct of the knowledge you're going to gain from this program. So basically, your skill badges look something like this. There is a section called Quest and a Skill Lab. The difference between both is a quest will be a complete set of instructions and you have to follow all of them. While the Skill Lab, after you complete a specific quest, you'll be getting a chance to complete this Skill Lab. It's basically a challenge lab which you have to complete. There are some instructions given over there, some ways that what they exactly want, and based on the knowledge you'll be earning from the previous labs, you'll be doing this thing. So basically, these are the goodies which you may be getting along the journey. And that's all for the presentation. Let's directly head on to the site to give you a better understanding of how you all should be doing on with this. So basically, this is the homepage of events with Google, and that's the 30 days of Google Cloud. The registration form, as we all know, will be coming by 5 p.m. today. So it's hardly 24 minutes left with us. Basically, these all are the sections, and this is the complete tracks which you have to complete. Like the track one basically consists of cloud engineering track, where you will be getting the fundamentals, the foundational infrastructure tasks in Google Cloud, set up and configure cloud environment, deploy, manage, build secure networks, and deploy to Kubernetes. And the second track consists of creating the skill badge in track one and track two is the same, the first skill badge, while other skill badges are performing foundational data ML and AI tasks, BigQuery, engineering data in cloud, and integrating machine learning APIs while exploring machine learning models. So basically, how you should be proceeding with this? First, you just click on this link. You'll be getting into this specific lab, enroll into it. Here you'll be requiring to sign into your Google account, whichever you'll be using for the registration. Yes, So once you're here, this is the very first a tool to Quick Labs and Google Cloud. This is the very first lab for the entire 30 days of Google Cloud. Just click on a start lab. It would take a minute or so. So basically, once you are done with it, you'll get a console over here. Uh, Take this link, copy it, and go to an incognito tab, paste it over here. So basically, this username is the same as here, and this is your password for that user ID. Accept this. All right, so this is your cloud console where you'll be doing all the tasks mentioned over here. A specific set of overview will be there. What will you'll be learning in this? This is an introductory lab, so there are no prerequisites for this. So this is basically the quick labs fundamental, like what is the start button, what is a credit. Like every lab costs some of the other credit, but this is since a very beginner level lab, so it's free of cost. You can also do it from your own account, but okay then. So these are the features and components, the credit, the time limit, which is given over here, the score, which as per the task you'll be completing, you'll be getting the score. So you basically don't need to pay for any lab for this 30 days of Google Cloud, because you'll be getting a monthly subscription, either a monthly subscription on 600 credits like this, which will benefit you and you can use them for completing the current labs. Go on reading all these following instructions. So basically these are the questions, you have to answer them all. I am not currently doing those, but that's okay. So this is all about how the lab proceeds. Everything is mentioned over here. Like now that your lab instance is up, read through it, give it some time, wait for 5 to 10 minutes on a specific lab for it to be getting completed. All these processes here I've did current right now. So this is which is not present, like here system admin is not here in this section, and all these things you have to like solve on all the questions over there. You have to do, there are some, there are like the previous, the further labs after this will be having different tasks which you need to perform to complete the specific lab, and after the specific task has been done, you have to come here again and check whether the task is completed. You have a GCP project ID which is different for each and every project. Well, this is all about it. I'll be just waiting for 5 minutes over here and we'll be ending the lab just to show that you'll see this is the Cloud Shell. Everything is mentioned over here. I've previously did all these labs, so currently I'm not getting too much into it. So basically after every lab is done, you get a little bit of progress in your hands. Just a
Nimish,
minute.
uh,
Yeah.
is every lab dependent on the previous lab progress, like what we have there,
No.
or
Not
that is
not at
completely
all. You
different?
They are different, but a specific skill lab like maps every lab one after the other in a chronological way, the better you can understand it. So it's better to go chronologically as per mentioned over here. All right. So I'll be waiting for 1 more minute. Till then, do you have any questions right now as per the quick labs is concerned? Anyone? All right, we just have 1 more minute.
I couldn't find any facilitator.
Sorry.
I couldn't find any facilitator.
Okay, so I am a Google Cloud facilitator, and you can basically join into the program via using Vidyalankar Institute of Technology as your facilitator
Like,
institution.
can you provide all the information on your WhatsApp group? We all are there in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, so one more thing, we have a Discord channel also specifically. Since you all are joining late, means not at the current time, like at the moment where I shared everything. So everything what has been sent over there is present over here in this GDSC VIT Mumbai's Discord channel. Here is a specific section for 30 days of cloud. Here all announcements were made. The instructions are present over here. What are the normal FAQs are over here. If you want to like give a hi or something and talk to your peers, the general talks is available for you. And if you have any specific doubts or questions, you can definitely ask them over here. The link to the same has been given and is currently in the description of the WhatsApp group, which you have currently joined. Okay. Yeah, it's done. So here, once I have completely done the lab, I can just go back over here. On my profile. Okay, so here you can see 0 minutes ago score it 100 on 100 because it was just an introductory lab. It doesn't matter whether you solve it or not, but after a time when there is more of hands-on, it's compulsory they just keep a track of whatever things you're doing on your quick labs. All right, so this is it for the learning thing. There are means all these labs you have to do in a similar way. All these labs mentioned over here, these are the skill labs. The last one is specifically a challenge lab where you have to use the concepts you have learned from all these upper labs. So basically here there won't be any straightforward information given to you which you need to follow, but all what you have learned from the labs above you have to use them into for completing this challenge lab. Okay, so are there any more question and answers? Are there any more
We'll be
questions?
getting a.
Are
I
we
have
getting
one.
any credits in the
You'll be
lab?
getting yeah, you'll be getting free credits as soon as you register for the program. Maybe that is not yet mentioned to us. Either it will be 600 credits or you'll be getting a similar monthly subscription like we do.
We'll be getting a Vidyalankar Google ID for doing the quest.
No, the specific for a specific lab, you'll be getting a different Quick Labs ID, so that it doesn't exceed your quota which is provided to you, and that wouldn't directly cost you on your main account. There are some labs which cost you. Okay, I couldn't find. Okay, this one. The registration link will be there on the site by 5 p.m. today, that is in next 14 minutes. So keep an eye on it. I've specifically called Deshant, the technical co-lead of GDS CVIT, and he will be sharing his screen for the demonstration of how the form should be filled. Information regarding the college, that doesn't bother you because every college there is a facilitator taken from every college, and he's been trained by the Googler, and he's there in front of you to like address you to the Google Cloud. Are there any more questions? Information regarding college means what exactly you want, Praveen?
What if our college name is not there in the form, or we have to put the college name? So
Okay, so basically this time our college name is Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, and if your college name isn't there, it's because your college doesn't have a DSC, a Developer Student Club. Every DSC has been asked to give one candidate from his or her college, from that college, and he was been selected as a facilitator. So basically that your college doesn't have a DSC, you can maybe next time try for being a DSC lead for your college. Any more questions? You can basically contact that DSC lead for who is facilitating for that current specific event. It may have happened that there was no connection made from the DSC lead to the Google team for the facilitator. So that's why maybe your college hasn't been there over there. Yep, you are like you were there. you were there as a student in your college, so alumni are allowed to like join in for the program. Basically, an undergraduate student above 18 years or anyone above 18 years who was into a specific college or who is an alumni is allowed.
For track 1 and track 2, is it necessary that we start from track 1, or can we also start from track
You can
2?
do anyways, like track 1 first and track 2 first. Track 2 first. That's completely your call. Uh, well, here are the prize rules. Like, if you complete any of the track, either the track 1 or track 2, you'll be getting a t-shirt and a set of stickers from Google. And if you complete both the tracks, you'll be getting a t-shirt, a bag, a bottle, and a set of stickers. So basically, the bag and bottle is an extra which you'll be getting for completing both T tracks.
Is there any limit that how many laps can we complete in a day?
No, there is no such limit as for now. But yeah, you can try and complete as much as you can, but they are quite more difficult. It is like in a day you can hardly complete around 8, 9. So that depends on you. Like that depends on every individual how it goes. Suppose my college has DSC. Yeah, definitely. You can join anyone wherever you want to go. It's all on you. Oh, that's great. All right. So, any more doubts?
Will we get study material also, like to study for the lab?
For the lab, everything has been provided in the lab section itself. You can just check on like each and every instruction of how, see here it is, set up network or HTTP load balancer. So everything is present over here. Like this is how the you should go on, then default region, how to set them. Every cloud shell command has been provided over here. This is how the virtual machines have been created, the compute instance, how it is created. You basically, they give you extra materials too if you want to read. See, for more information, see setup networking load balancing. So everything, all the study material, everything has been provided here. You just have to go through it.
Excuse me. So,
Yeah.
like in my college also have DSC club, but they are like if we not have any facilitator there, so can we join from your college?
Yeah, definitely. That's your call. The main motto of the program is to make you aware and allow you to learn. So it doesn't matter whether which college you're joining. It doesn't even come on your certificate or anything that you have joined this college. We are just the facilitators. We just want you all to learn.
Are there reattempts allowed if someone fails the lab?
Yeah, you can try again. Like there are reattempts allowed. And will we get prizes after 30 days or no? After 30 days, they have some specific time limit for the prizes to come, but it will come to you soon. Within a month or two, it will be with you. The prizes will be with you.
Whoever completes the lab gets the prizes, or there any more criteria for it?
No. Whoever completes the tracks will be getting the prizes which I mentioned over there. Well, there is no last date as for now, but the time limit for the specific program is from 27th September to 27th October. So within that time, you have to complete both or either of the one tracks to be eligible for the prizes. Do we get certificate after completing all tasks? Basically, till last year, the certificate was there, but I don't want to like spread any wrong rumors to you. But if it is, that will be great. If it isn't, let's not hope for it. But whatever you will be getting is shared to you right now. That is the digital badges as well as the these prizes after completing the tracks. Any more doubts? Hey, that depends on you, like how you take it. The task. My college doesn't have DAC. I'm still unclear if yes, you can participate by giving. There is a section where you give that from which college have which college is facilitating you. You can directly add Vidyalankar Institute of Technology over there, and you can start off with your tracks. As soon as you are registered and once you have got the credentials, you can definitely start your tracks. Like you can definitely start completing your tracks. Yep, you can put all the badges on LinkedIn. The registration form will be out at 5 o'clock on the website itself, right here. Over here, like under the home, here there will be a registration link present. So please wait for it till then. All right, any more doubts? So basically, let's wait for 5 minutes. As soon as the form is out, Dishan can then handle this and can do a demonstration in front of you.
Nimish, hi. Hello.
Hi, Viri.
Yeah, could you just put out the link in the chat box over here?
Yep, definitely.
Thanks.
The recording of this meeting will be directly uploaded to the YouTube, so you don't have to worry about it. Please keep in mind that only first 50,000 registrations are allowed to join the program. So as early as you register, the better are the chances that you'll be getting this. So make sure that today at 5 p.m. itself, you are registering to the program.
A registration form elaborate or is it small form?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Rugved.
Form is it elaborate like we have to fill in a lot of details or is it just 2 clicks?
It's basically going to take your public profiles of Quick Labs. The specific form is not yet revealed to us, so we don't clearly have much of an idea. But yeah, it does have some more of the stuff which you have to add in. So let the form come because we aren't yet clear what exactly has been asked in the form.
What if we don't have a Quick Lab account?
Well, you have to create a new Gmail account, and you can directly just create one right now. It doesn't matter.
Oh no, Quick Lab account.
I
Yeah,
already
yeah.
have a Google account, so won't that
So you
work?
can use that Google account too. But if you were a part of any of the cloud jams before this, and you have completed any of the quest or skill labs, it may happen that your progress won't be tracked again for the
Okay.
same which you have completed. So if you have done any of the cloud gems before, it's better to create a new Google account and sign up to the program with it. And if you haven't done any yet, you can just use your current Google account and create a new Quick Labs account from it. Your
Okay.
Quick Labs account is connected to your Google account.
So,
Basically.
we have to create it right now or after we register for this?
As soon as the form comes out, they'll be giving you a proper instructions that how you should be going on with your Quick Labs account.
Okay,
So
fine,
it's
fine.
better you go directly from there, because it may happen that if you create a public profile right now and not from their specific link, you won't be getting the monthly subscription, and there are some problems which can create.
Okay, okay.
So it's better you follow the instructions provided in the registration form.
Okay. Thank you.